Drop it.
Column-style loudspeakers have become increasingly popular in many applications due to their narrow form factor and small footprint. When space to deploy a loudspeaker is at a premium and sightlines of the event call for minimal intrusiveness, column-style loudspeakers can offer the perfect solution, at least visually. Traditionally, a column loudspeaker is equipped with a number of small drivers positioned within a close proximity in a straight line, in a column. So not only is the loudspeaker a column in shape, but it literally has a column of acoustic elements that produce the sound. However, utilizing a row of driver components this way often comes with many limitations. For one, simply placing multiple drivers in line with each other on an even plane creates acoustic issues. Comb filtering, frequency lobing, and other phase-related phenomena can be unpleasant and inconsistent for the audience. Some of this can be addressed with DSP, but not all of it. Due to the physical size of the drivers, there will be challenges in directivity and limitations to how far the loudspeaker will be capable of projecting audio, which is typically addressed by just adding more drivers to the design, but this just makes it more difficult to maintain an even frequency response, especially in the high frequency range where 2 to 3 inch drivers just aren't designed to operate. Many column loudspeakers utilize additional DSP processing in an attempt to boost the high frequency content that the drivers are struggling to produce, but that can create a lot of distortion, faster thermal limiting, and a lack of clarity, especially when pushed at higher volumes. At QSC, we knew there had to be a better way. We introduced to you the KC12 Active 3-Way Column Loudspeaker System, or quite simply, the K-Column. With the K-Column, we have diverged from traditional column loudspeaker design by creating a high-output, 3-way powered loudspeaker system while also designing it to fit into the column-style form factor that blends seamlessly into any venue. The groundbreaking design of the KC12 mid-high enclosure features a 1-inch compression driver combined with the patented QSC Leaf waveguide first introduced in our L-Class powered line array system, achieving defined, uniform coverage of 145-degree horizontal by 35-degree vertical. This Leaf waveguide creates superior acoustic performance due to the optimization of the shapes of its sound paths and internal flares, with the frequency paths folded compactly into a small space, but expanding at the exit flares where they sum together perfectly in phase. It's this phase alignment, paired with the exceptional directivity of the waveguide, that gives the KC12 defined, intelligible, uniform coverage and high-frequency reproduction unlike anything in its class. The dual 4-inch high-excursion mid-range drivers are large enough to handle frequencies down to the crossover point with the subwoofer, but also small enough to still deliver the aesthetic qualities of a column loudspeaker. This combination of drivers in the mid and high frequency system are capable of handling high sound pressure levels as each driver type is working in a given limited bandwidth, effectively minimizing unwanted harmonic distortion. For low frequencies, the KC12 utilizes a ported, direct radiating subwoofer enclosure housing a high excursion 12-inch driver that provides low-end extension down to 40 Hz. This thing gets low. Under the hood, the KC12 is powered by an all-new 3000 watt Class D amplifier with universal power supply and extremely low AC consumption. With this amplifier, the KC12 can achieve up to 132 dB of peak output while drawing less than 2 amps from the circuit. Thanks to this 3-way design, the entire system provides class-leading full-range performance with clean and natural sound at all output levels, whether used at weddings or corporate events, restaurants or bars, houses of worship, fitness classes, karaoke venues or nightclubs, or any application where there is the need for a powerful, great-sounding PA system with the added benefit of also being sleek and unobtrusive. The KC12 input panel has 2 combo XLR jacks, which are mic line or high Z for channel A, and mic line or plus 48 volt phantom power for channel B. A number of input-specific factory presets can be easily recalled independently on each input, and contours shape the total sound for your application. Powerful user-accessible DSP gives you control of an onboard parametric EQ, up to 200 milliseconds of architectural delay, musical reverb for channels A and B, and independent subwoofer level control. And for those users that really want to pound that bass, you can even connect additional external subwoofers. With 3000 watts of power on board, that Leaf waveguide and those high excursion mid-range drivers will have no problem keeping up. These features can be accessed and configured using the simple UI featuring a familiar multifunctional digital display. Finally, the KC12 also boasts advanced Bluetooth capabilities. This Bluetooth module ensures low latency pairing between the audio source and one or more KC12 loudspeaker simultaneously. Additionally, when using a smartphone for playback or break music, you can take advantage of the onboard USB-C port to help keep your device charged and running throughout the event. The system can also be configured with or without its column center pole, making it ideally suited for direct deployments on a floor, stage, or riser. Just choose the height that's right for your audience. The KC12 is available in both black and white finishes and offers an industry-leading global 6-year extended warranty with product registration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.